Children, exercise 5.2 remaining questions. 10th question now says, children, here the 17th term of AP exceeds the 10th term by 7. You have to find the common difference. Exceeds means more, ज़्यादा है, okay? So 17th term is 7 more than the 10th term. So that is how you'll form your equation. A 17, 17th term, 7 more plus 7 than 10th term. Okay. So for any AP, what do we say? We assume its first term as A and its common difference as D. Then by the formula, nth term's formula is this. We can write A 17 will be replaced by A plus 17 minus 1 becomes 16D. A 10 will be written as A plus 9D, 10 minus 1 and plus 7. Okay, so this equation takes this form if we assume A as first term, D as common difference, and this being a nth term's formula. So we see A and A is getting cancelled, collecting 16 minus 9D this will become, which is 7D is equal to 7. So you get your common difference as 1. Alright, so that's the way to present your answer. Okay, now 11th question is saying which term of this given AP will be 132 more than 54th term. So likewise इसमें भी आप equation बना लोगे. Okay, which term बोला था? So we do not know the term. We'll assume that let nth term be the term in question. Okay, so let an be the term which is 132 more than the 54th term, means A 54 for this given AP. So for the given AP, you have to find your A. For the given AP, A is 3 and D is 15 minus 3, 12. So this is your equation. This nth term which we have to find which term it is going to be, means we have to find value of n. So an we are saying is 132 more means plus, then 54th term is A54. Rest we'll put in formula. I have not written the formula, you will. Okay, ऊपर जैसे formula लिखा था यहाँ पे भी, खैर we are using the formula here. So by nth term formula you can write it in short. So an we know is A plus n minus 1D. 132 A54 क्या हो जाएगा? A plus 53D. 1 less हो जाता है. So again your A and A is getting cancelled. So if you put it together, your D's, if you take inside. Now I have done it by factorization. That is up to you how you do it. Okay. Okay. D we knew was 12. So value of D is 12 here. 132 I know has factors 12 into 11. Okay. So why I wrote it like this is because सारे terms में अगर 12 है तो we can divide it by 12 throughout and that 12 will get cancelled. नहीं तो बाकी आपकी मर्जी है, आप जैसे भी कैलकुलेशन करना चाहो. So 12, 12, 12 cancelled. We are left with 11 here, 53 here. Plus of that is 64. One second. This was n is equal to 3 plus 1, 4. It should be 65, children, because this was n minus 1 was 64. So n will become plus 1 more will come here. Okay, you can check it. Check the calculation. I think in a hurry I've made a mistake here. 360. Yes. Okay. So next is your 12th question was saying there are two APs have the same common difference. Difference between their 100th term is 100. You have to find the difference between their 1000th term. Okay. So we will assume these two APs here. We would say we are assuming the first terms. Let capital A1, capital A2 be the first terms of these two APs. But both of them have the same common difference. I have called it as D, capital D. Fine. So these are your two APs. What was given to you? That difference between their 100 term. So A101. This means first terms, first AP is 100 terms. Second AP is 100 term. This difference was given to you as 100. That was given to us. Okay. Now we'll put it to formula. First term plus 100 minus 1 becomes 99D. Minus second term के लिए आएगा, second AP के लिए आएगा, sorry, A2. उसका first term था plus 99D. D दोनों का same था, तो यहाँ पे D use होगा. And that was given as 100. Now if you simplify this, if you open that bracket here, so your A1 plus 99D minus A2 minus 99D. So this is getting cancelled. You are left with A1 minus A2 is equal to 100. तो आपको difference of the first terms पता चल गया यहाँ से. Okay? Of the two given APs, which is as 100. Right. Now your question was to find the difference between the 1000 term. Means you had to find A 1000 of first minus A 1000 of second AP. Which by formula will become first term plus 1000 minus 1D for the first minus likewise for the second AP. That was its first term. So again your D wala factor is getting cancelled and you're left with only A1 minus A2. and we already had worked out a1 minus a2 as 100. We'll put that value here. So we'll say by that above result, this is also 100. So difference between the 1000th term is also 100. Now this question, children, is giving us one result out here. Okay, and what is that result? That is that if you have two APs with the same common difference, whenever you will have two APs that will have same common difference, then irrespective of what is their first term, the difference between any of their corresponding terms, fifth term का difference निकालो दोनों का, या 50th term का निकालो, 500 term का निकालो, will be same as whatever will be the difference between their first terms. Okay, so that is the conclusion we have drawn from here. Okay, so अभी तो ये question ऐसे put up था, हमने ऐसा solution लिखा है. Maybe we can be asked in general also that if the difference between two APs is the same, common difference of two APs is same, what will be the difference between their whichever terms corresponding they ask you. तो आप उनके बस first term का difference निकालो, जो first term का difference होगा वही हर term का difference होगा. That is what we are concluding from here. Okay, fine. Now okay, what was the 13th question? Was saying how many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7. Okay, so for this question now, first we are talking about 3-digit number. So we know the smallest 3-digit number is 100. The biggest 3-digit number will be 999. But we had to not only focus on 3-digit number, उसके साथ हमारी क्या condition थी? The number has to be divisible by 7. So we are finding which is the first number of 3-digit that will be divisible by 7. So if you divide this 100 by 7, obviously it is not exactly divisible. We are left with remainder 2. अब ये remainder हटाओगे तो ये number बनेगा 98. So 98 would be divisible by 7, but that's a 2-digit number. Okay, so that means after 98 we have to look for the next number which will be divisible by 7. So that would be 98 plus 7, or maybe we can say 100 plus 5. Okay, because 2 digits तो यहाँ पे remainder 2 और था ही, 2 की जगह अगर 7 remainder हो जाता तो ये फिर से exactly divisible हो जाता, right? Okay, so how much is remaining? That means 5 is to be added more out here to make it exactly divisible. Or this is however you can understand this, how to find the first divisible number and maybe the last divisible number by any particular number. Okay, so I've shown it here, maybe you understand. या फिर आप 1 by 1 सारे table के हिसाब से अपना पढ़ते जाओ, check कर लो. If you remember your tables thoroughly, you'll come to know that 105 is the first 3-digit number which will be divisible by 7. Then we also need to know the last number. So उसके लिए हमने फिर जो biggest number था उसे भी divide किया है. तो यहाँ पे remainder 5 आया, means 5 digits extra हैं इसमें. 5 कम होती तो ये exactly divisible हो जाता, तो 5 हमने subtract कर दिया to observe that 994 will be the last 3-digit number which would be divisible by 7. So now जो हमें condition given थी 3 digits number divisible by 7, उस sequence का हमें first term मिल गया है 105, last term 994, and obviously उसका D क्या आएगा? जो टेबल होता है 3 का टेबल होता है उसमें 3 से जंप होगा, 5 के टेबल में 5 का जंप होता है, 7 के टेबल में every multiple differs by 7. Okay, so your common difference out here will become 7. So we have concluded A as 105, D will be जिसकी divisibility थी 7, and last term will be called as a nth term if we say they are n terms. Okay, which was evaluated as 994. Now we have to find n क्या है, number of terms find करने थे. So we know this formula again, an is equal to a plus n minus 1d. So put that value there, 994 आपका an last term, first term, d सब रखो, minus हो जाएगा इधर जाके, this will come in the denominator. So your n is coming out to be 128. That means we'll have 128 3-digit numbers that will be divisible by 7. Clear? Okay, now next is your this was our 13th question. Now 14th one, yes, how many multiples of 4 बोल रहा है. Okay, divisible by 4 or multiples of 4 comes to the same. सब में जो भी नंबर है उतने से जंपिंग होती है या उतना उसका d it comes out to be.